Okay, thanks for coming back. On our third tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Cura. Cura is the 3D printing software which you will need to change the STL files that we converted to from SketchUp. Okay, do you remember the minions? Okay, and that's where we are going to pick up from. All right, so the last time, you remember, we saved the STL file in my computer. We are going to access it there. Before that, you can actually access Cura. You will actually have a copy of Cura installed in your computer. You can just type Cura on your computer and then click on it, and you will come to this page. Okay, so go to open the file. I remember that I kept the STL file in the picture department. There it is. Minion for print test 1. All right, gonna open that, and this happens. Okay, it happens because the 3D model which we created was too big for the print bin. Okay, but that's not a problem. You go to scale. I'm going to scale it down to 1%. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's kind of small, isn't it? Okay, maybe I'll just do it at 5%. Okay, 5% is actually pretty big. Okay, it's going to be pretty big, so I'm not going to do that. Let me see. Now I'm gonna change this to 0.4 mm, and I'm going to keep the okay, and change to fine, keep the settings. Okay, it's actually pretty big, so I don't want that, so maybe I'll just change that to 2%. Okay, that's more manageable, because if you will see, it's taking 1 hour 23 minutes just to do this. So the bigger it is, it will actually take longer. And I'm actually using a slightly bigger nozzle, 0.4. Okay, so you have to be careful with the nozzle. The thinner the nozzle, the smaller the diameter of the nozzle, the more detail you can actually create, but it will actually take much longer to do that. But for the sake of this particular experiment, okay, we have just loaded the STL file which we made from SketchUp previously, and we loaded it. We have changed the setting. This is the scale. Okay, you can actually sometimes rotate it if you want. There you go, if you don't like the position, but there's no reason in this case. And if you want to reset, you press Ctrl Z, it goes back to its original. And if you want to mirror it, okay, what happens? Can you see that? What happens? It's now looking to your left. Now it's looking to your right. Okay, so you want to have a mirror image or not, it's up to you. Okay, so let's keep it this way, looking to your left. Okay, I think that's pretty good. 1 hour 23 minutes. Click on the preview button. Okay, you have to click on the preview button. Okay, why? Because you have to see if it's printable. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Oh, looks good. Everything is printable. Okay, now because this image is very flat, right? So I'm going to change the setting a little bit. Okay, I'm going to set it to the recommended setting. Okay, I don't think I need supports, actually. No supports, and probably do not need adhesion as well for this particular case, because it's such a simple flat print. Okay, then I click on preview again. Okay, and I'm going to just check. Yes, it's printable. When you finish printing, that's what you will get. Okay, I'll save it into a Minion test print G code. Okay, it will be saved as a G code. Like that. See this? This is the G code file. G code file is the codes, the file that the automaker will be using to read. Save. Okay. And that's it.